my fantastic lash growth serum that works. It's all natural. You're going to love this. And of course, no negative side effects that goes along with some of the conventional lash serums. Okay, so you're going to need some natural ingredients here at home. That is including 400 IU vitamin E capsules. You're just going to take 2 of those and you're going to pierce them and put them into your glass container. So you're going to squeeze out the contents of those capsules into your glass container, and that is a natural antioxidant but also works as a natural preservative for your lash serum. Okay, now I also have a teaspoon of castor oil, so mixing that into my mix as well. And then we are going with a teaspoon of sweet almond oil into that mixture. And the last ingredient is liquid coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of that. Okay, there you go. You're going to mix that together, and then you can incorporate that. Either leave it in a glass jar, and of course a darker glass jar is going to be better to help to preserve it a little bit longer, or you can also purchase these mascara wand tubes and pour it inside there. Then you're just going to apply it at bedtime to your upper lashes. I usually don't put it on the lower lashes, just on the upper lashes, along that lash line. Go to bed and just wait. I mean, it is phenomenal how quickly this is going to help to grow your lashes, and again, without some of those negative side effects. Okay, let's take a look at the recipe so that you've got it, and of course you can always screenshot this so you have it for later. So you've got your vitamin E capsules, your castor oil, your sweet almond oil, and coconut oil. You're going to mix that all together, keep it in a clean container, and always using a clean technique to apply that to your upper lashes at bedtime. You are going to love this recipe. Now, for a great vitamin C serum that you can make at home, please check out my video, DIY Vitamin C Facial Serum. I'll see you there.